Oh yes, guys. This is Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, my real people. I greet and appreciate a lot. This is Vera TV program. So I greet you. No, say I tell you last time all over the world. I greet you. Happy, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. If you watch my video, you come across my video, please, my beautiful sister out there, my beautiful brothers, and my real fans, my real people, come across my video, abeg don fail to subscribe to Vera TV program so that you go know the ogbonge things wey be say we dey do for here. Be say if you wan follow us, you are free to follow Vera TV program anytime. Don pay fail to click that bell. That one will give you alert then. Anything they do for you, then you will follow up, guys. So thank you for watching and thank you for coming around. And on this video, I'm going to post it on my Vera TV program. The thing I want to tell you today is about good news again about my waist trainer. Now, no say last time I tell you, I say yes, I dey use a SL, the big one. So I can't tell you, I say if I want to do the other one again, I will show now the video so that I'm gonna see whether it really work for me or not. Not be to the light to come on me and call the light. No, do it, let people see. They say seeing is believing, right? Okay, guys. So now when you watch this waist trainer now, you will say and say this one not be I fed the wear before. Okay, you know, so not be this one I fed the wear before. The one I fed the wear before my SL, very big past this one. So this one are the large. I get medium. Last time I showed on the two, and the second one of that two now be this. So this one are the biggest one. And the one I showed on the number that they made from one for not confused. So now see SL, right? This is SL. Okay, this SL now they wear ever since when it be say it make my tummy. I call the toilet like say tomorrow not dey my people. So if you can see it now, you will say now this one I use you know say I say don't start. If you can see it, you say don't hold, it don't walk well Vera how do you see that? I look sweet, guys. So Mona wash you. So this one how they use is there. This one are the one way small pass this one the big one, this one is small one. So I can't tell una say if I enter this second one, I will show now. Una say no first line now this, so this first line, second line, why third line? Small now. So I take start the first day I start to wear this thing tight my belly to put on for this first line was very difficult. I no fit put am. I tried the first time when I wear am like 3-4 times. I can't enter second. As I enter second, I still struggle. I bear am. I can't enter third, so it can't dey used to me. Anytime, any day I dey wear. If I wake up, I dey wear. Sometimes I dey wear and sleep. So now you go take work for it. Not be say you wear am once, you just throw wear am. Go work. No, it cannot work that way. You know who they will find something I hand the long pass. When you know say yes, you not really wear and make it good for you. They wear and if you wake up in the morning, you not fit wear and sleep. Just wear and if you wake up, wear and take do as work. You dey sweep, you dey mop, you dey do anything. Just wear and when it be say you go make you look good, go make you look sweet, guys. Oh yes, can you see that? Can you see that, guys? You understand? So it go make you look sweet, it go make you look well. You understand? So now be the thing. Wear and the one. Not be say you wear and once you just throw wear and say no. Not wear and only once throw wear. If you wear only once, you no go fit work. If you know say you wan work for sure, now see am now. Just look at my bag, guys. You see that? You see that, guys? You see it? You see am? So you see here? Make I drop this one first. You see here? You say as e be, so it really work. You understand? See am? See am? See am? You understand me? So it really work, my beautiful people. You see that? Your shape go come outside, your hips go come outside when you read the user. You understand me? So that make me when I want to get my own, I don't just buy only one because I don't say this one will so expand. You understand? So I try to make sure say I order another two before this one will expand. You understand? So I try to wear another. Understand? So I try to wear another two. You understand me? So you see that? You see? So I try to wear this one well so that it will enter. And as it enter this one, so it's very good and nice. When it be say go make you look good, go make you look sweet. You see that? How I look now? Sometimes I look beautiful. So now, so my people. So this one now I call the wear. So you can't master me. After this one, coffee. You know, say it don't make bala. You understand? So I see say this one don't dey expand. I quickly find another two. So that it go work for me. When nobody say you go wear and once you throw wear, you wear and you keep and you wear and not go fit wear and walk. Wear and do something. Oh yes. Oh yes, guys, you see that, my real people. So we make you look good, we make you look sweet, we make you look nice, guys. So not be wetin you go your way with your struggle, no. So men out there, many men don't come and be say they like this my ogbonge topic, they like this thing when we be say what they do, I they do for here. Show something, reach people, show people reach something when they be say they go see and they go see and say they work for your body, and people will get mind to buy. So now make me they do am on they see and me not be say guru mago guru day. No, show na they see and so say they really they work for me. You go fit still work for you. Your belly go inside. If your belly go inside, you sound say you go get shape. You will look good. You will look nice. Don't be waiting. You go be say you know come make you look good. You know come make you look nice, my people. You understand? No, you also say you go look nice, you go look beautiful. Men out there order for your wife, order for your girlfriend. Yeah, you understand? Girl, you be girl, or you see say you be girl, maybe you never born. It's still good for you. Not wait until your belly go big before you first born first before you go to wear am. You fit still wear am too, so that to build your shape and your tummy, it will make you look sweet and look nice, guys. So now wetin be say we dey do for you when we say this waist trainer, and one of my fans when e dey UK, that is UK, yes, London. Now she dey sell am. She is one of my best fans so far. You understand? Myself now my real fans, my best fans too. So now she dey sell am, and she at the help they do advert of this waist trainer. Not be me dey sell am, I not dey sell. I not dey sell anything. You understand? Except my program when I dey do this waist trainer. She's the one that is selling it. If you want get her, my number is there. Just go to my wall, you get my number there. You can get it. When you call me on WhatsApp, then I will send her number to you. Call her, order your own. You understand me? So now my beautiful people, now wetin make you go, wetin go make you look sweet, wetin go make you look nice, guys. You see that, 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 guys. So you see it once again. You see that, my people. Sure, you see, I'll be waiting first to take the light so that when you see it, you see that, you see how you look sweet, you go look nice. Not be she like tell you when not clear. No, you see that. Okay, you will look sweet and take away, guys. See that. Oh yes, beautiful people. So now, so my people, if you never order your own, it's not too expensive. When we say you know go feel at fault, you be man, you be woman, it's very cheap when you be say you go feel buy them. So I show now again this one, and the first one I take start. Now the second one I thought if I wear and I go show now. So make I show now the smallest one. That is the medium. Show you now, see this is the medium, guys. This is the medium. If I don't feel enter this one, my people, I'm not gonna feel happy. I will be the happiest person on earth, guys. You see that? 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 Oh yes, my beautiful people. So when I patronize this my fans, this our sister. You understand? She lives in UK. So this one is different. This one are double. If you see and this one the two na the show on that day. This one now the show on that day. So me don't wear this one and this one remain. You see, can you see that? Medium. Okay. Can you see that? I'm using cover. Okay, medium. So that is it, my beautiful people. You can afford the £35. Everything is 35. That one is 25. So my people, will make you look good. Will make you look sweet and look take away. You know, go make you they do. I'm tired. It go make you the agile. Understand me? It will make you dey agile, you go strong, you go look sweet, you go look nice, my beautiful people. Now wetin be say na ogbonge girl be say your man go like am, everybody around you go like am. So if you never order for your wife, you be man, you should watch me. Some men don order for their wife. God go bless all those men wey be say they order for their wife. And if you still dey there, you never still order for your wife, abeg sir, abeg brother, sister, order for your wife, order for your girlfriend. Say brother, order for your girlfriend, order for your wife. It's not too expensive. This one is £35. Why that one is £25? So if you need her number, just call me. Go to my wall, you will see my number there. Call me, then I will give you the number, so you can call her anytime, any day. Then send her the money and your address. For 3-4 days, 5 days, you stand for your post. Your wife will begin wear and go to remember. You too as a man, you fit still remember and say, make it the wear. You understand me? So you go the wear and go look good, you go look fine. Not going to be say you not go remember. And you as a woman, try to remember. If you wake up in the morning, if you not say you not go feel wear and sleep, if you wake up, try to wear. Let am dey your body to go do things finish. If you want bath before you go pull am, if you don see bath finish, you want eat, wear am. You know dey do person anything. Later I go come master you. If you no wear am, say no go fit stay. Look me now. This one now I fit wear. That one now don big pass me. Now this one now I come dey wear. You see am? Now this one I come dey wear. So e no too. You see am? E don dey work be that. Now so I go just look prepare. This one na just still dey look, so e go just still enter me. Yes. I go just see first understand say you go still enter me, my belle go me tricky. That time if you don't dey used to you, don't sabi dey use, and your belle go anything you any small size wey you put, you go to need to that's what they put am, go dey enter you. Baby go start say your hair now go come look you go come tiny, you go come look sweet, you go come look nice. So don't let any man deceive. Any man wey dey say you no need am because he no wan buy for you, and only me want dey look you. No sir, buy am for your wife, buy am for your wife so that it will look good like Vera TV program and other women wey don buy, and another many girls don buy, many women wey God go bless wey their husband don still buy for. Abeg, we are still doing selling it. She still dey sell like boku isara. Tell her your size. If you know say you don't know your size, it go hard. You may not go buy the one with too small. Your waist of trouser, tell her the waist of, if you fit get your waist of trouser. Now I get this one, the waist of the trouser, e must dey, if you enter your waist, e must surely enter. Forget belle. Your waist, if you try and force am, you go enter. If you don't enter, my sister, you start say from there you go dey do am by yourself. And make sure say you dey do am by yourself. If you no fit do am for the first time, your man help you. Next time try to do, so that anytime when you want dey wear, not go dey find person say, hey oh, I no see person oh, I no see person oh. No, let am dey used to you, so that if you want dey wear am, you go dey used to you. When e be say you go fit dey wear am anytime, any day. Okay, anytime, any day go fit dey wear am. So try to dey wear am, try to dey make sure say you sabi wear am. You understand me? So now see the size now. Now that one when I show una that day, out of that two when I show una the video when I do, now the second one wear so when you get button. This one na the third one. This is the second, why this one third. I thought the first line now, this one will be second line, this one will be third. Now you will see me that I will look sweet and look beautiful. Don't I look beautiful like this? I don't look beautiful like this, guys. See that? You can see that. You can see that, guys. You can see that I'm looking sweet. I'm looking take away, guys. So you two still need to you two still need to still look take away, look sweet, look nice. Don't let anybody deceive you. Not be say you wear am once, you throw away, you wear am twice, you throw away. At the end you can't say you shall say they work. No, it's really working. For me to wear first one, second one, I this one, and third one they go, you say you know they work. When you wear them once in 2 weeks, once in 3 weeks, no nah. Yesterday when you remember, I stand up on my live video when I do yesterday. If you look on, I go see say I really wear and sit down. Wear it sit down, not go do you anything. You understand? Not go do you anything, not go make you no dey look, not go make you no dey well. Wear and sleep, wear and can see that. Okay, you see that. So order yours, order your waist trainer, guys. Okay, you see that. Let me move forward. Okay, you see that. You see it. So it will make you look good. Not waiting be say you come dey. You see that, guys. Pose on, no time. You see, and you go dey flexible. Okay, so it will make you dey light. So thank you very much. Oh, just reach 15 minutes so that I can see if I feel. So now, so my people, God will bless you. I appreciate you a lot. God will bless you. So if you never buy my lady out there, you are watching my video, find my number. My number is on my wall, Vera TV program. Make sure so you order your own. It will make you look sweet, guys. See am now. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? It will make you, it's very flexible. When it be say it will make you look sweet, as like they look sweet. So as with the shine your shine, make I shine my shine. Oh. It's very important too. So now, so my people, God will bless you. I greet you, appreciate you a lot. When I sit there, they understand, guys. So this is Vera TV program. Please, if you never order this or waist trainer, it will make your wife look good. It will make you safe. You must still they use, and if you as a man you want to use it, you are free to use it. Not let anybody. Our women are not deceiving. My man not use them. I don't want here. I don't want here. Leave them alone. Let them use it if they feel like using it. Okay. If they feel like using it, don't bother them. Leave them alone. Let them use it. You can see my tummy right here. You can see the shape alone. It's very sweet and very okay. So thank you, my beautiful people. Thank you, my beautiful women out there. I thank you and appreciate you a lot for understanding and know what is good, guys. I thank you so much. So now, so my people, order your own. Is not too expensive, y'all. Can see that? Okay. Can you see that, guys? Sure, you can see. So it will make you look good. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for supporting. Thank you very much. I appreciate you a lot. Don't fail to subscribe to Vera TV program and give a thumbs up and drop your good opinion and your good advice. Drop your good opinion. Give the video thumbs up. Thank you very much. I appreciate you a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, my beautiful people. All right, I appreciate you now. Thank you very much. So have a nice day. Bye.